Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing my nails. Sorry if my volume is kind of like out of whack at the moment. I still have not bothered to go and buy any cotton wool. So I'm using Q-tips alongside my nail varnish remover. I'm just removing the last bit of nail polish that I have on my nails. I think I need to kind of like, there you go. Okay, so it is possible for me to get this nail polish off. I've got to give it some welly. Got to put in some work. Thankfully there's not that much on my nails as is. It is boiling hot outside today. I kid you not, it's so hot. Like, I got off the train and I was just like, what on earth? It is just boiling, but that's okay. I prefer to have lots of heat rather than tons of cold. I really don't function well in the cold, but believe it or not, there are quite a lot of people who prefer to be in the cold. It's just not my kind of thing. Hopefully I'm not making the camera move. The ring light is kind of like balancing on the edge of the chair, so it's not actually freestanding all by itself. If the top of it wasn't touching the chair, it would be a lot lower than it is right now. I haven't even decided what I'm gonna put on my nails, but to be fair, a lot of my nail polish is very natural shades. All of my bright colored nail polish that I used to own, I don't have it no more. Is it just me, or trying to do things with my left hand I just find so super duper difficult? I'm finding it so difficult. Obviously it's because I'm right-handed, but when I used to do my nails before, right, I could do my nails no problem. Even though I'm right-handed, I didn't find any problems with using my left hand to get nail polish off or to actually paint my nails on my right hand. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've gone and I have okay, first of all, I'm using the Nails Inc London nail polish, and this one is in Cadogan Square. It's this lovely brown shade. It's really close to my own skin tone. I think that's why I really like it. Okay, so since I have taken off as much of the nail polish that I can, and I've gone and I've washed up, so I needed to wash up my dishes. I don't have a dishwasher. And I've gone and I have fixed my makeups because I'm about to shoot another video. It's going to be a tag video which will be up tomorrow. So I'll be answering some questions, but obviously they're tag questions, which brings me to something else. Like, we've had quite a few people join the channel, subscribe to the channel of recent. So I was wondering, like, do you guys want to do like a Q&A? Like, I could do a Q&A while doing my makeup. I can sit in front of the camera and do a Q&A if you prefer that. See, I like that. So you guys kind of like let me know what you would like to do. I mean, if I get a minimum of 5 questions in the comments down below, then I'll go ahead and do a Q&A. If not, then no biggie. And it can be about anything. It could be about makeup, it could be about me personally, it could be about YouTube, it could be about literally anything that you want to ask. Just let me know your questions down below, and also let me know how you'd like me to shoot it. Would you prefer that I just sit down and talk, or would you prefer that I do my makeup and answer your questions? It is just so hot, sweltering. Ooh. Okay, so that is that. On camera they kind of look yellowy, but on, like, in real life, it just kind of looks like an extension of my own skin tone onto my nails. I'd actually quite like it. It could do with another coat, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to leave it at 1 coat. I just prefer it like that. I used to love doing two coats of nail polish, but now I prefer to just do 1. How the times have changed. Anyway, so I feel like my nails have grown quite a bit actually since the last time I did my nails, which was like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. I definitely feel like my nails have definitely grown. So we're getting there in length. I feel like the ones that are suffering a little bit are like my thumbnails. They're not as long, they're not growing as quickly as anticipated, but the rest of them kind of are. So we're getting there. Anyway, so don't forget to leave your questions down below. Tell me how you'd like to make this Q&A, or if you even want to have a Q&A. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.